Hi, I'm Debbie Sardone, and I own a $1 million maid service near Dallas, Texas. I help cleaning business owners who are ready to get out of the field, hire employees, and double and triple their business within a matter of months. Did you know that 93% of all maid services never achieve revenues above $500,000 a year? And less than 10% of us ever gross $1 million in annual sales. So why is that? It only takes 350 recurring customers to have a $1 million maid service. Success in the cleaning business is not complicated. It's just not obvious. If it was, everyone would be successful. I remember a turning point in my own cleaning business about 20 years ago. I was miserable. I was working long hours. I wasn't running the business. It was running me. I was still cleaning, trying to hire and train employees, and I was turning away clients left and right because I couldn't staff the demand. My employees were walking all over me. They were temperamental, demanding, sometimes rude, and completely unmotivated to stay with my company long term. I felt powerless and humiliated because I had no leverage. I couldn't fire anybody for bad behavior or poor performance because I couldn't find anyone to replace them. I knew in my heart my business would double and triple if I could just get out of the field and find and keep good workers. I was convinced that the problems were external and that there was nothing that I could do to improve things because people just don't want to work. Thank goodness I was wrong. With the help of a mentor, I developed a business formula where employee attraction and retention was never again a problem or a hindrance to my growth. The results have been astonishing for the cleaning industry, and now I teach this formula to struggling business owners all over the world. Some of the most critical principles I've learned over the years can be summed up in 3 concepts. First, for your business to change, you have to change. As the leader, if your business doesn't work, it's a system failure. I discovered it's not them, it's me. Once you realize this, you will pursue solutions and you'll switch directions. If your mindset is all wrong, you'll never fix your business. I thought my high employee turnover was a result of lazy people who don't want to work. That was not true. I hadn't created a job people wanted. Once I figured that out, I began to work on my job offering and created the kind of job people loved. I stopped blaming everything and everyone for my business failures. Number 2, to be successful in business, you need a good strategy. Hard work is not enough. You need a proven formula. Otherwise, you can spend years in frustration and failure. What I've observed is very few people can just guess their way to success. Most people are guessing their way to average or failure. They just don't know it yet. Every successful business has a strategy. The good news is my proven strategy is simple, clear, and easy to follow. The steps to success are not complicated, they're just not obvious. In fact, the concepts I teach are actually counterintuitive. This is why most people are doing what's obvious, but not what works. The steps you think you should take are usually the wrong ones. We tend to do what's obvious and comfortable, and that's usually a sign you're headed in the wrong direction. And number 3, community and accountability. To achieve extraordinary success and get out of the field and enjoy high profits and quality of life, you need community and accountability. For years, I was isolated in business. I was alone and frustrated. I had no one to talk to when I needed feedback and solutions. When I found a good mentor, I learned how to keep better employees, how to price jobs more profitably, and make more money. Everything changed. I turned my business around and we took off to $1 million. And today, I'm an absentee owner. My only regret is I wish I'd done it sooner. Community and accountability is vital to continual growth and improvement. Imagine a business where your employees love to come to work. They don't call in sick all the time because they value the job. Imagine a business where you never do the cleaning. Instead, you're closing the sales, growing the business, and you're the highest paid professional in your industry. Today, I teach people all over the world the steps I followed to create a business where my employees stay years, not months, where they are well-trained, well-paid, happy, and respectful. And I can teach you to do the same thing. If you know you have what it takes to be successful, but you just need the steps to get there, please contact me for more information about my Cleaning Business Fundamentals course, and let me help you earn 2 to 3 times more than you're earning today, guaranteed.